Welcome back to The Doctor Is In. Just a simple little tutorial here today. Sometimes I go in here, I select the A, and I type in the first line like so. And now I want to go to the second line. If I hold the control key and hit enter, I can start typing. The second line. Control, enter, third line. Just a little something there for those of us who don't always reach out and look for another way to do things. But that's it. Thank you. Like I say, just a short one today. Bye-bye now.